Hi, here I'm gonna make a review of Chamberlain 1.25 horsepower garage door opener. I installed this garage door opener about a week ago, and I really like the performance of this garage door opener. This is 1.25 horsepower with battery backup and Wi-Fi, and it supports MyQ app on the phone. It is with the belt drive. It's very nice, quiet, and no chain. It has a belt. You can see it right there. We installed this garage door opener, as I said, a week ago. Me and my son, we took the old garage door opener and then installed this new one. It took us about 5 hours, but if you follow the directions, very easy. And I think if anybody knows a little bit about how to use a screwdriver or how to take things off and on, they can do it. This one has a very nice wall panel. It gives you the time and the temperature. And the setting is very easy to set up the Wi-Fi, and then you can control it from anywhere in the world as long as you have access to the internet. Very nice and quiet. I will show you to open it just once, and you will see you won't see any sound at all. It sounds like a electric car with no sound. And then is, as I said, it has an app on the phone. You can set it up, and you can open the garage, you can close the garage anywhere in the world, and you will get alert if you set it up when the garage open, when the garage closed. You can set it up as you like. It's a custom, and it makes a beeping sound if you close the garage from your phone app. So if something is in the area, in the middle of it, they can get away from it. Here, like this, you flash the light, and very nice and quiet. This is the model number B970. It's about, I bought it from Home Depot for $245 plus tax. At Lowe's and Amazon sells about in the range of $260 to $270. As I said, investment is kind of paid off. It has a lifetime warranty on the motor and the lifetime warranty on the belt, and 5 years on the parts and everything else. I strongly, anybody need a garage door opener, recommend this, especially this model B970. I'm happy with it. Any questions, just please comment below. I hope I will be able to answer them. Thank you. And it has a good range. I will say about maybe more than 100 meters. I will show you where now I can even open this garage from all the way from that stop sign right there. I can open it right from there. It has that much range. It comes with 2 remotes and rest of everything that you need to install the the garage door opener. Thank you very much for watching.